Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about creating your very own YouTube intro. So if you've seen the YouTube intro on this video, this is exactly how I've created it, and it's very easy, and you've got complete control over the design, which is something that I just couldn't find anywhere else unless I invested a lot in sort of top software. So this is the way that I make most of my images and content, and this is what you're going to be doing next. So we're going to go through it step by step, but before I do that, just wanted to let you know there is a link below which will give you the free trial to the service that you will be creating this on. So you can grab that, maybe play around with that initially in the free version, and then there's a 30-day pro version that you can grab, so you can create all your content within that, and all the features are open to you. So get that whilst you can, whilst it's still available. And the second thing is I've also created a free guide which tells you exactly how I have come to be making money online. There's a vast amount of information in there, so grab that. You just need to click in, sign up, and you'll be sent the information pretty much ASAP. So head down to the links below, and of course, as always, subscribe to the channel, share, and click that bell so you're notified when I do a new video. So let's get started. Okay guys, so as you can see, we're on canva.com. I'm actually in my account now, and what we're going to do is going to head over to the YouTube thumbnail in the design panel, wait for that to load, and as soon as it does, we're going to search for a template that will give us a sort of nice workable template that we can kind of play around with. So I'm going to go for this one. It's got a couple of images in there, and I just need to change the text. So whilst that loads, here we go. We've got the text here, and what I'm going to do is probably just put in a simple heading: how to make money online. I've actually just created a blog post on that, so I'll put the link down below as well, and it's for free. That's the name of the blog post, and then we'll just give this a secondary title. I'll use my name for that one just for the purposes of this video. Right, so here now I believe that's just an image on its own, so I can delete that out and replace that. And this one is probably an element, which basically means that you're not deleting the outline where you've got the color, but you will be deleting the image, or you can delete the whole thing, which is to delete group. So we'll just delete the element. We're going to go over to photos, and we'll find a couple of images that will be perfect for this. Let's see, so if I like the look of that one, so let's see, we can maybe put that over here, and then let's go for something else. Let's go for something like this. Okay, and let's bring that to the front. So let's change the position, bring to front, and let's make that a little bit bigger. Right, okay, change the color of that to black. There we go, and then we can maybe put in a little element, which I do like my moving elements. So let's see what we can grab from here. I mean, anything will do, to be entirely honest with you. Let's just go for something like, and let's just place this over here, and then what we can do is go back to elements and just see if we can get a sticker, something that moves. Let's go for money. Okay, so then we're just gonna bring this down, change the size, maybe put it here. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go over here where it says download and it says show more, and you're going to scroll down to where it says animation whenever that decides to open. Okay, so animation's here. Open that up, and if I move my screen here, you'll be able to see the animation in the full effect. So right now we've got different options. You've got fade, there's the pan option here that actually comes in from the side. You've got the block, the one I usually go for is slide, breathe, so it kind of zooms in, rise, comes up from the bottom, and then you've got the simple, which you can then there's timing, so you can just time it by speed. Either way, whichever one you go for, you will then download in MP4. There's animated GIF or there's MP4. For the purpose of an intro, you are going to want to do it in MP4. Click on download, and then that will download it straight to your PC or laptop, and then you can upload that and edit that in to your videos, and that's it. It really is just that simple, guys. I hope that's been helpful, and obviously just head down to the link below so that you can see, you know, and take advantage of that 30-day free trial.